Hey Power BI users, want to add a custom background color to your Gauge visuals? Here is a super quick hack to do that using a theme file. First, open a text editor like VS Code and create a new .json file. Now copy and paste the code that you see on the screen. In this code, you'll see a color code, which can be replaced with the color that you desire for the background. So if you want a custom look, just change it to your favorite color. Now let's jump into Power BI. I've already added a Gauge visual here. Next, head over to the View tab. Click on the drop down under Themes. Then select Browse for Themes. Upload the JSON file you just created. Now you see here the color of the background for the Gauge is changed. Enjoyed this quick Power BI tip? Give it a thumbs up and make sure to follow for more awesome hacks and tips. Thank you.